Today we're going to be installing underglow to the 370Z. I'll put their links in the description below so you can get yours. I left the car in the air, all the wheels are off. Because we're going to be tucking the cables up in the arch lining. Alright, so this is the kit that we're going to be using today. It's glow kit. They provide you with some instructions, clips, cable ties, screws, and then the actual underglow kit itself. Before attaching the underglow, make sure that all surfaces that you're going to be sticking the strips to are clean. Right now I'll just line these up about where I want them to go, just to see about clearance and stuff like that. Yeah, that seems about right. What I like about this kit, they provide these little clips with some screws that just go straight over the strip and then screw it straight in. Now we'll do the same on the other side. I'm just giving the cable a little bit more protection because it is going to be slightly exposed. As you can see, I drilled some holes in the bottom of the chassis and then I've painted them and then cable tied the wire up to it to keep it out of the way. I fed the remaining cable up through the engine bay and then it goes through the firewall into the footwell into the fuse box. A bit due to the weather, it did start raining on the way. In this mode, this is definitely asking for us to get pulled over.